East is where the sun rises, dreams are built to progress, shining towards the light of success, through faith and love he blesses. We shine for better sweet ocean, we unity feel its mission. We strive to reveal its vision. Toward greatness we work with dedication. University of Eastern Pangasinan, Center of Excellence. We adore through his reverence. Character is a key. We am